Any motorist needs to get a car insurance policy, and they are most likely going to want to get the best rates possible. With a little bit of time and effort, there is no reason why you shouldn't be able to save a great deal of money when you next purchase a policy. Here are some basic tips that may prove useful. If you are coming to the end of your current policy and are simply thinking of renewing and letting your policy roll over, think again. Now that you have built up some loyalty with a specific provider, you may be in a position to negotiate better rates. Call up your provider and ask them for a new, and cheaper, quote. You should also make sure that you shop around and gather quotes from separate providers as well. Even if you are happy with the services being provided by your current insurer, there is absolutely no harm in seeing what else is on offer on the market. You may well find some more affordable quote elsewhere, giving you leverage to negotiate even lower rates with your insurer. Ideally, if you can incite a bidding war between several different companies, you will be able to further lower your costs. It is important for you to consider increasing your deductible if you want to save money. The deductible and your premiums will have an inverse relationship, meaning that as you increase your deductible, your premiums should go down. Simply doubling your deductible may help you to save up to 20% or more on your monthly premium rates. It is important for you to reduce your risk as much as possible, and there are lots of different ways of doing this. For example, make sure that your vehicle has safety and anti-theft devices installed onto it. For example, dual airbags, anti-lock brakes, and car alarms will all help to reduce theft of the vehicle or injury of anyone in it in an accident. Reducing such risks will help to lower your premiums. You need to pay attention to the long-term goal of maintaining a good driving record. Your driving record is going to play a significant role in the cost of your policy. Essentially, the worse your record is, the more expensive your premiums will be. If you want to achieve lower rates, therefore, you need to try to maintain a better record. The same is true of your credit rating. People's credit ratings have come under scrutiny in relation to their auto insurance rates in recent times, and insurers are considering this to be a far more important factor than they used to. If you have demonstrated a poor financial record, then your insurer will consider you to be more of a financial risk and will, therefore, raise your premiums. It is always important for you to make sure you're getting the right coverage as well. Every state will have minimum liability coverage requirements that you need to meet, but anything on top of this down to you. In order to save money, always ensure that you're not getting coverage that you don't need. Share this video and subscribe for more interesting auto insurance tips.